Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
The Flippin Frog delivers both minerals and chlorine to your pool through the use of a floating dispenser. When the chlorine cartridge runs out, the dispenser flips over to let you know it is time to replenish. Using the Flippin Frog in your pool is a no mess, no guess, and no stress situation. Cartridges come pre-filled and are very easy to switch out. Utilizing both silver chloride and traditional chlorine works to kill bacteria in two different ways, but also allows chlorine use to be reduced by up to 50%. The floating device has different settings for different pool sizes, allowing the minerals contained in the floater to last all summer, while the chlorine typically lasts 3 to 4 weeks, as you only need to keep its level at a low 0.5 parts per million. The pH of the pool is also kept in range, while the use of the silver increases the softness of the water for a more pleasant bathing experience. The Flippin Frog works with pools that are 2,000 to 5,000 gallons, which usually equates to a 12 to 18 rounds. Minerals last about 6 months, and the chlorine cartridges last 3 to 4 weeks. Using pool mineral systems to help keep your pool or spa clean using significantly less chlorine or bromine. This mostly eliminates that well-known pool smell that comes from dealing with chloramine. The Flippin Frog is very easy to use. On the back of the box is the chart that helps you to find the correct setting for chemical release, which is based on the gallons of water that your pool contains. Open the box and you will see that the Flippin Frog comes in 2 pieces. The top mineral section is green and the blue bottom section is the chlorine. These chlorine cartridges can be purchased again when they run out. To connect the 2 pieces, turn the bottom blue section with the smaller side facing down. The center piece on the bottom of the green mineral section fits into the grooves on the blue section and locks into place. The dial is very similar to a clock. There's an indicator on the blue section with an arrow to easily find it. Once you have found your correct setting from the chart, you can spin the top half so the indicator lines up with the correct number that corresponds to the chart on the back of the box. At this point, the Flippin Frog is ready to go to work. Usually it's placed in the pool and is secured to something stationary in the pool via a small rope tether, which is also included in the box. When the floating device is empty of chlorine, it will actually flip over in the water with the green mineral section facing down. Replacing is very easy. Find the indicator arrow on the blue section and spin the green side so the indicator aligns with the unlock icon, which is just beyond the 0. When it's aligned, you will be able to separate the 2 sections and replace the empty chlorine cartridge. The old cartridge will be a lot less heavy than at the beginning, as the chlorine is now gone. You will need to order a replacement chlorine cartridge. They come in a package just like this one shown in the video. Just replace the chlorine cartridge and get back to having fun with your family and friends. Don't forget to also balance other aspects of your pool water. We would be happy to help advise and answer any questions that you may have. Visit our product page links in the description to purchase either the Flippin Frog or replacement chlorine cartridges. Thanks for watching.